Thank you. Hello everybody, Master G here with Miss Addie. Let's work on our basic kicking. We're going to be working on our side kick or yup chaki. Say it with me. Yup chaki. Yup chaki or side kick. Good. Now for this one, we're going to start with the beginner position first. So I want you to turn your body completely sideways so that you're like you look like Miss Addie. Good. Now you're going to take your foot that's the closest to us and you're going to bring it up to that load. Ready? One,
sir.
And put it down. One,
sir.
And put it down. Ready? One,
sir.
And put it down. Good. Jump, turn. Good. We're going to do it the other way. Ready? One,
sir.
And put it down. So you want to look like you're doing a front kick right in front of you, but you're going to change your direction and go this way. One,
sir.
Put it down. And one,
sir.
Good. And switch feet. Good. Now let's do the full kick. Now I'm going to stabilize Miss Addie. She's got the control she needs, but I just want to really slow this down so you can see it. So I'm going to hold her belt. She's going to go. And if you're struggling maybe with balance, have somebody help you with this step. You're going to pick up your foot. One,
sir.
Good. Push it out. Two,
sir.
So you notice you want to hit right here with your heel. She doesn't want to point her toes like this. This is a no-no. That's closer to a round kick. Pull it back. Good. Three,
sir.
And put it down. Four,
sir.
Good. Ready? One,
sir.
Two,
sir. Three, sir.
Four,
sir.
One,
sir.
Two,
sir.
Three,
sir.
Four.
sir.
And you know what? We're all working on balance, so it's not a big deal. Like if you wobble, like you just let Miss Addie wobble a little bit, it's not a big deal. We're all learning, we're all growing, and this is the hardest part of the kick, is the slower versions. Switch feet.
Yes, sir.
Good, ready. Again, I'm gonna hold the back of her belt now so you can see. One,
sir.
Two,
sir.
leading with that heel, very good. Three,
sir.
Four,
sir.
Good. One,
sir.
Two,
sir.
Three,
Sir.
Four.
Sir.
Last one, ready. One,
sir.
Two,
Sir.
Three,
Sir.
Four.
Sir.
Same step, but from the fighting stance position. Now, I'm going to skip all the load part and we're going to go straight to the count. Now we're going to add a fifth count because we want to add a rotation. And I really want you to focus on this foot right here as she kicks with this foot. Ready? One,
sir.
Two. You see how she rotated this foot 90? Good. Three,
sir.
Four,
sir.
And five. Put it back.
Sir.
Good. So you notice how this foot, when she kicks, comes all the way around. That's where you generate the most power with your side kick. Good. Ready? One,
sir.
Two,
sir.
Three,
sir.
Four,
sir.
And put it back. Five.
Sir.
Good. One,
sir.
Two,
sir.
Three,
Sir.
Four,
sir.
And put it back. Five. Good.
Five, sir.
Now, as you become a really experienced kicker, 2 and 3 will blend together into a smooth transition. So it'll be like 1 straight up, 2 all the way out with that pivot, 3, and then pull it back. Let's throw one of those. Ready? Hi! Good. And again, that comes with experience and skill. And switch feet.
Yes, sir.
Good. Ready? One,
Sir.
two,
Sir.
three,
Sir.
pivot foot, 4,
Sir.
5.
Sir.
Good. Oh, put it back. Good. So we really want to make sure we're working on that pivot foot. That is key to having great side kicks. Ready? One,
Sir.
two. So pivots
sir.
93, all the way towards
Three,
the wall. 4, pull it back.
4,
And
sir.
5, put it right back. Good. One more. 1,
Sir.
2,
Sir.
3,
Sir.
4,
Sir.
and put it back. 5.
5,
And
sir.
again, it's okay if you're wobbly. It's okay if you're learning your balance. Martial arts is challenging. I'm proud of you for keep going. Good. And fighting stance. Good. Now let's throw a few kicks with Miss Addie, just with the key up, doing all of those steps. Ready? Height!
Hey!
Height!
Hey!
Height!
Hey!
And jump switch.
Yes, sir.
Height!
Hey!
Height!
Hey!
fighting stance.
Yes, sir.
Ready. Hi!
Hey!
Nice. Hi!
Hey!
Hi!
Hey!
Good. Switch feet.
Yes, sir.
Hi!
Hey!
Hi!
Hey!
Hi!
Hey!
Hi!
Hey!
Good. All right, everybody. That is our side kick or yapchagi in Korean. Practice what you learned. Make it rock.